it's time to sell now versus waiting until the interest rates are going to go even higher. Hello, this is Rimma, the broker owner of Rimma Realty, and now you notice there are two of us. So I am now joined by my daughter and our newest agent, Ilana Ludovica. She just passed her exam, she's joining the team, and we're going to work together.
It's a dynamic duo.
Yes.
So today is the Monday market update.
In the beginning of the year, as you may remember, the interest rates were still very low. So we were like about 2.25% in interest rates for jumbo 30-year fixed loans, depending, plus or minus, depending on your credit score. But now the interest rate creeped up and are a little higher than 3%. Which is a small increase, but when we look at the buying power for the buyers, we can see that for $1 million loan, that incremental increase in the interest rates increase the monthly payments for the buyers for mortgage for about $500 a month, which means that actually decrease the buying power of the buyers by $100,000. So if your monthly payments for $1 million before equal your monthly payment approximately for $900,000 now.
So what does that mean for sellers?
We were discussing this before, like what causes this market to be the seller's market. And one of two major driving forces of this market are lack of inventory and low interest rates. So if the interest rates are going to be creeping up, for the sellers means they might get fewer offers on their properties, and that means that the buyers' buying power is decreasing. So it's time to sell now versus waiting until the interest rates are going to go even higher.
Would you say that having lower amount of offers on the table for a seller means that they may not be able to sell their home for a higher price like we have been throughout this seller's market?
If there is less buyers who can afford the higher price, then obviously the offers will be less.
So what does this mean for buyers?
For buyers, that means on the buying side, it's the same thing. Your buying power are going to decrease when the interest rates creeping up. So instead of, I've heard from some buyers saying that they going to wait and save more for down payment, but what the buyers have to realize that down payment represents only 20% of their buying power. 80% of their buying power for majority of the buyers are in the loans, and the interest rates creeping up are not going to help it. So I think that the creeping interest rates are going to overcome your ability to save for down payment. So buy now before the interest rate go even higher.
So Rimma Realty continues to serve
And bring you expertise and experience you deserve. All right.